Welcome to Employment and Education News.
This channel is only for you, so please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. Agniveer MR Agniveer SSR post vacancy in Indian Navy. Eligibility 10th, 12th with mathematics and physics and at least one subject from chemistry, biology or computer science. Age limit born between 1st May 2002 and 31st October 2005. Apply between 8 December 2022 and 17 December 2022. Application fees Rs 550 only. Southern Railway Recruitment Cell recruitment against sports quota for the post of level 2, level 3, level 4 and level 5. Eligibility 12th graduation. Age limit between 18 to 25 years as on 1st January 2023. Apply between 3 December 2022 and 2 January 2023. Northeast Frontier Railway recruitment against Scouts and Guides quota for level 1 and level 2 post. Eligibility 10th, 12th ITI. Age limit between 18 to 33 years for level 1 and 18 to 30 years for level 2 post. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 3 January 2023. Junior clerk, assistant teacher, midwife, pump attendant, electrician, ward boy, assistant sanitary inspector, medical officer post vacancy in Cantonment Board, Varanasi. Eligibility 10th, intermediate and English and Hindi typing, bachelor degree and BTC or BED, intermediate and 2-year course of ANM, ITI electrical, MBBS. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Apply between 15 December 2022 and 14 January 2023. RMO Assistant Teacher Junior Assistant Post vacancy in Shahjahanpur Cantonment Board. Eligibility intermediate and English and Hindi typing, bachelor degree and state TET or CTET primary level exam passed, MBBS. Age limit between 21 to 30 years for assistant teacher, junior assistant and 23 to 35 years for RMO. Apply between 10 December 2022 and 10 January 2023. Application fees 1200 for general, ex-servicemen and departmental candidates, 1000 for OBC and 800 for SC candidate. Assistant Engineer Civil, Junior Engineer Civil, Pharmacist, Staff Nurse, Lady Medical Officer post vacancy in Cantonment Board, Bareilly. Eligibility BE or BTech, Diploma in Engineering, Intermediate Science with Diploma in Pharmacy, Diploma in GNM or BSc Nursing, MBBS. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Apply between 17 December 2022 and 17 January 2023. Application fees Rs 700 for general and no fee for SC, ST, OBC, PWD, transgender, ex-servicemen and women candidates. 51 Management Trainee Administration, 5 Management Trainee Technical post vacancy in Steel Authority of India Limited. Eligibility degree in Ceramics Engineering, MBA or PG degree in Management. Age limit maximum 28 years as on 18 December 2022. Last date for application 18 December 2022. Scientist, Engineer 21, Electronics 33, Mechanical 14, Computer Science post vacancy in Indian Space Research Organization. Eligibility BE or BTech with GATE score. Age limit maximum 28 years as on 19 December 2022. Last date for application 19 December 2022. Salary as per pay level 10. Manager Boiler Operation, Manager Project, Manager Automation post vacancy in Steel Authority of India Limited. Eligibility BE or BTech in Mechanical, Electrical, Chemical, Civil, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering with experience. Age limit maximum 35 years for Manager Project, Manager Automation, 37 years for Manager Boiler Operation. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 14 December 2022. Application fees 700 for general, OBC, EWS category and 200 for SC, ST, ESM and departmental candidates. Thanks for watching till the end.